Guys, what we have here is acres and acres of Caribbean Sea, Oceanview land for sale in Cap-Haitian. This is one of the quietest areas in Cap-Haitian. The only noise you're hearing are birds singing. I'm walking to the ocean just to show you how close the land is to the ocean. We have acres and acres of it for sale. Choose your plot. It's hard to explain the beauty of the mountains and the ocean and the Caribbean Ocean. Why? The hills, the mountains. It's best to come see for yourself. Choose your plot closer to the ocean, in the middle from the ocean, or the top of the mountains from the ocean. I'm gonna show you a rock hill where you can choose to build on top of. You can build on top of the rock hill. You can call it a Rocky Mountains. You can build on top of here. Once you build your property right on top of the Rocky Mountain here, okay. See, look at the road. This is the road right here. And this is the hill where you can build on top of here. Right here is the hill right there. You can build your property right here on top of the Rocky Mountains. Right here, right here, right about here. And this will be your view right here. Choose closer to the water in the middle, wherever you choose, on top of the mountains going down here, which is the road right here. Wherever you choose, you will have this ocean view, this gorgeous Caribbean Sea, pure turquoise blue water. Guys, this is real. This is true paradise right here in Cap-Haitian. Mango trees, fruit trees, banana trees, whatever you want to grow here, you can. We have acres and acres of this land here for sale. Choose your plot. You want to build a house made with rocks, stones, ocean stones, right here. Look at this. These are stones right here from the ocean. Right here. Right here. You can choose. So you pretty much have a lot of rocks here, stones, ocean, solid rocks for you to build your property or your gate, your fence, and everything. Well, your fence, not your gate, but anyway. So guys, for instance, let me show you one of the rocks. Well, a bunch of the rocks. Right? This is rocks, Rocky Mountains, meet the Caribbean Sea, ocean rocks. .360 panoramic view of the land. Right here in Cap-Haitian, from the road leading to Labadee. Labadee is just a few miles away from here, if not just a couple. It's on the road leading to Labadee. It's not right on the road. It's a private area on the inside from the road. You have to drive about half a kilometer or more than half a mile from the main Labadee road to get inside of here. Some goats. Guys, best of Haiti Real Estate. My name is Matthew Lewis. I'm going on top of the mountains to show you better view from the, or more views from the top. I'm on the side right now. Look at this mansion here. Somebody already built, well, 2 of them, 3, 4, 5, a few mansions people already built here. You'll be building next, you can build next to them or far away from them, because we have acres and acres of land available. You choose your own plot. Schedule a meeting with us, guys. Schedule a showing with us. We can come here with you and show you these gorgeous ocean view, mountain tops, Rocky Mountains style land for sale in Cap-Haitian. Peace. Guys, this is it. This is a continuation of the video showing you different angles. This is us right here. This is the team below here. And this is me right here taking a video. Beautiful views. Build on top here, on top of here. You can build your property right on top of the mountains here. You can build below it, or you can build on the other side, which is closer to this ocean here. Choose your plot, guys. Acres and acres of land available. There are some nice houses already built in this area, but you have enough land to live solo for now. But they won't be long. 5 to 6 years from now, all these areas will be built, will be occupied. So get your plot right now, guys. Call us, contact us. On the bottom of this video, you'll find our email address, phone numbers, international and domestic, in Haiti and internationally. Contact us, WhatsApp, text, email, so we can come show you where your next piece of paradise is located. This is in Cap-Haitian. Peace.